Imagine a vibrant town, filled with life and history, suddenly engulfed in flames. In August 2023, the charming town of Lahaina, Hawaii, faced this devastating reality. The wildfires wrought destruction, leaving residents and businesses shattered. Today, we explore Lahaina's resilient spirit and the rebuilding efforts underway. Lahaina is known for its rich culture and stunning landscapes. After the fire, the community united to reclaim their town. First, let's look at the assessment phase. Leaders are carefully evaluating the damage. They identify critical areas needing attention. This step ensures resources are allocated wisely. Next, they focus on immediate needs. Temporary shelters are established for displaced families. These shelters provide safety and comfort during this crisis. Support services, like food and counseling, are also set up. Then, plans for infrastructure revival begin. Roads, public utilities, and communication systems are prioritized. Restoring these essentials is vital for stability and progress. As rebuilding progresses, local businesses are highlighted. Community members are encouraged to support small shops. Revitalizing local commerce helps boost the economy. Environmental considerations are crucial too. Rebuilding efforts focus on sustainability. Using fire-resistant materials and enhancing green spaces are key decisions. The story of Lahaina also includes cultural heritage. Restoring historical buildings enriches community pride. It brings back a sense of identity for all residents. Throughout these stages, collaboration shines. Government organizations, charities, and locals work hand in hand. This collective effort ignites hope and strengthens resilience. In summary, Lahaina is on its way to recovery. From immediate relief to long-term rebuilding, the community showcases determination. Their story teaches us the power of unity in the face of tragedy. Join us in supporting Lahaina's recovery. Visit local initiatives and donate if you can. Together, we can help this beautiful community rise again.